Anova Lighting Company Limited, rooted in Foshan, Guangdong, China's renowned city of lighting, has been dedicated to the lighting industry since its inception in 2003. With 2 decades of history, we specialize in providing global clients with superior ODM design and customized services. Our extensive product range includes LED downlights, spotlights, track lights, cabinet lights, and yacht lighting, garnering international acclaim for design excellence. Committed to sustainable development, Anova Lighting emphasizes eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient production. Our vision is to deliver high-performance, low-energy lighting solutions harmoniously with environmental stewardship. Upholding the principle of professionalism creates value. We have established a proficient service system, leveraging digital transformation and supply chain refinement to ensure premium services and timely delivery to lighting dealers worldwide. Holding over 50 national patents and numerous international patents, our innovations reflect a continuous pursuit of technological and design advancements. Following a brand upgrade and factory relocation in October 2023, we've bolstered our manufacturing and R&D capabilities, promising more intelligent and efficient lighting products. Striding into the future, Anova Lighting remains committed to craftsmanship and innovation, addressing market trends with smart lighting solutions. More than just a producer and supplier, we are a pioneer advocating for the sustainable evolution of the lighting industry. In partnership with global allies, we are set to illuminate a new era of lighting technology, bringing brightness and hope to the world.